Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We got a rigid container with a volume of 0.090 meters cubed containing 1 kilogram of R134A. So that's your refrigerant. At an initial temperature of minus 40 degrees Celsius after heating, the pressure becomes 280 kPa. What is the initial pressure and the final temperature of R-134A? Step 1. Draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. Step 2. List all the given variables. Find the unknown. Step 3. Draw your PV diagram, so your pressure volume diagram. So we've got our saturation curve. So 1 is initial, 2 is final. So we start out in the saturated state, then we apply heat. So this is just an assumption. We're going to assume that it is above saturated state. We don't know if it's superheated or not, but I just put the arrow up there, just assuming that it will be superheated. Step 4, find the saturation pressure. So we go to the saturated table for R-134A. We go to minus 40 degrees Celsius. So the pressure will be 51.25 kPa. And this will be our initial pressure. So that's for part A, finding the initial pressure. Then we check the phase at the final pressure. So at 280 kPa, we check the specific volume. We get the specific volume by dividing the volume by the mass, which is 1 kilograms. So 0.09 is greater than 0.072. So it's greater than the saturated vapor. That means it's going to be superheated. So step 6, find the final temperature. We go to the superheated table. We use the pressure, which is 280 kPa, which is 0.28 MPa, and the specific volume. When we line them up, we will get 50 degrees Celsius for the final temperature. Disclaimers: the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Note that this question is mainly just reading the thermodynamic table. However, I can still make mistakes. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things happen. If you're on a Mac or Linux, use the snipping tool equivalent. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on snipping tool in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program, click on video option, click on new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen, hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends, because this is a made-up question. They probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in this video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.